Much of the holiday season involves travel, driving to grandma's house, road tripping to see family, flying across the country, or in our case this year, loading everyone in the car for a family vacation to Orlando to visit the theme parks. And here's what nobody thinks about until they're an hour into the drive. Nobody likes a ponytail or hair claw bundle in the back of their head that prevents them from leaning back and resting comfortably in the car. We just finished our winter orchestra concert season and have a little break before the Christmas busyness, so we're taking advantage of it with a family trip, which means time in the car, and that means we need hairstyles that actually work for travel. Today's super simple style is a French twist side pony that looks great, stays in place, and lets you put your head back and relax when you need to. No uncomfortable bumps, no pressure points, just comfort. Let me show you. Start with a side part. You can do this on either side, whichever feels more natural for her or whichever side she'll be sitting on in the car. If she's going to be leaning against the window, maybe do the ponytail on the opposite side so it's not pressed against the glass. Just a thought. Brush through so everything is smooth and ready to work with. Starting on the smaller side of the part, we're doing a French twist. If you've been following this series, you know this technique by now. We've used it several times. Divide a section into two pieces and twist them together once. Add a section from the head to the bottom piece, twist. Add a section, twist. Keep incorporating hair as you move back. But here's where this one is different from other French twist styles we've done. When you get to the back of her head, don't stop. Keep going all the way across. You're crossing the back of her head with this twist, incorporating hair as you go, moving toward the opposite side. This is what's going to secure everything and position the ponytail to the side instead of centered. Now we go back to the other side of the part. We're going to French twist this side as well, but we're only going back to just below her ear, not all the way across like we did with the first side. Divide into two sections, twist and add. Keep working back along this side of her head. When you reach just below her ear, stop incorporating new sections. You've gathered all the hair from this side that you need. Now you have two twisted sections, one that came all the way across the back of her head and one that came from the other side and stopped behind the ear. Bring both twisted sections together at the side of her head, below and slightly behind the ear. Just like we've done in other styles, we're going to braid these two twisted sections together. Take the two pieces and braid them, right over middle, left over middle, once or twice. This adds a nice detail and creates a smooth transition from the twisted sides to the loose ponytail. Secure with a hair elastic. Your ponytail is now positioned to the side and slightly back, completely out of the way of the back of her head. See how there's nothing at the crown or the back center? That's the whole point. She can lean her head back against a car seat, an airplane seat, even a pillow, without any uncomfortable bumps or pressure. This is travel-friendly hair. Before we finish this up, I want to invite you to join my weekly newsletter if you haven't already. It's where I share encouragement for mothers of daughters that goes beyond just hairstyling. We talk about raising girls with intention, navigating the challenges of this season, finding beauty in the ordinary moments, and yes, surviving holiday travel with your sanity intact. It's free, it's from the heart, and the community of women who've joined has been such a blessing. You can sign up through the link in the description, and I'd love to have you there. Now, let's finish this so she's ready for whatever adventure you're heading toward. If she likes, finish with a bow. Clip it right at the base where the braided sections meet the ponytail. This covers the elastic and adds that polished touch. And that's really all you need. She's ready to go. If you have time and want to add a little extra polish, you can curl a few pieces of the ponytail with a curling iron. Just grab random sections and give them a quick curl. It adds softness and movement. But honestly, this looks great with or without curls. We did ours without because we were literally walking out the door to leave for Orlando, and it looked perfect. Here's why this matters. When you position a ponytail at the back center of her head, she can't lean back without it pushing into her skull or getting caught between her head and the seat. It's uncomfortable, it gives her a headache, and she ends up taking it out halfway through the trip. This side pony solves all of that. The back of her head is completely clear. She can rest, nap, read, lean back, whatever she needs to do during travel without fighting her hairstyle. And it looks intentional and pretty, not like a last-minute throw-it-up-and-go style. Comfortable and lovely. That's the goal. Whether you're driving 2 hours to Grandma's or flying across the country for Christmas, this is the hairstyle that will make the journey easier. This is day 7 of 25 days of intentional elegance, and we're exactly 1 week into this series. I hope these daily tutorials are serving you well during this busy season. If you loved the bow you saw today, or you're looking for handmade accessories for holiday gifts, everything I make is available in my shop. The link is below, and I'd be honored to create something beautiful for your family. Safe travels wherever you're headed. I'll see you tomorrow with day 8.